student. Now today we will see 3.3 Stephen Hawking. So before Stephen Hawking we have seen Albert Einstein. So we should know about Stephen Hawking. We know Stephen Hawking was known as for his revolutionary concept in theoretical physics and cosmology. And friends, when we compare Stephen Hawking with Albert Einstein, there was one similarity between two scientists. If we see IQ means intelligent quotient of Stephen Hawking and Albert Einstein was the same. That is 160. So here friends, he was the director of research center in Cambridge University, and he had one disease, that is ALS, amino lateral sclerosis. That was the disease. After 4th year or in between 4 years, that person die. But here at the age of 21 he diagnosed with that ALS, and up to that 55 years he lived his life. So here 24 years he struggled with that disease, but he never defeated with his life. So here this is a short account of some incidents in the life of Stephen Hawking. So this is inspirational lesson for us. This is what? Inspirational lesson for us. We will study some incidents in the life of Stephen Hawking. Now, here whatever that syllabus we are studying, as in every lecture, I give you information about each writer, and that is specific writers are chosen for our syllabus. So students should get inspiration from their incidents, how great personalities we have known, and that is the aim of our curriculum. So today we will see about some incidents of Stephen Hawking. So before going to start our lesson, as usual, let us see warming up. Question 1. Get into pairs and match the prominent personalities with the disabilities they had. What? Get into pairs and match the prominent important personalities with the disabilities they had. Always we complain that I don't have disability, but that people face their disabilities and how they completed their duties in life. So first, students, John Milton we should know. In English language, if you don't know John Milton, then this will be miraculous. So what is John Milton? Here all are famous. John Milton, Beethoven, Stephen Hawking, then Walt Disney, Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, Helen Keller, Sudha Chandran, poet who became blind at the age of 43 years. Who became blind, totally blind at the age of 43 years. So here, these are the disabilities of John Milton. John Milton was a famous poet. His Paradise Lost became so popular in all over the countries. Now next we have Beethoven. What is there? Beethoven. Now who was the Beethoven? Beethoven was the great German composer and musician who became deaf. Means he could not hear at the age of 28 years. At the age of 28 years. Now see, here I will show you match the pairs. So here, what that John Milton, that is the great English poet, and Beethoven, the great German composer and musician who became deaf at the age of 28 years. I will show you again. See here. John Milton. What? John Milton, the great English poet. And the Beethoven, he was the great German composer and musician who became deaf at the age of 28 years. Now next what we have? Stephen Hawking. Our lessons. Stephen Hawking. Now what about Stephen Hawking? Famous scientist. What that? Famous scientist. See here. Famous scientist. Stephen Hawking, famous scientist. We will connect with that, this famous scientist of 20th century. Did you understand? Who? Stephen Hawking was the famous scientist of 20th century who is paralyzed. Next, Walt Disney. Next what? Walt Disney. And who was he? C. A, B, C in that C. And American entrepreneur, animator, voice actor who had a learning disabilities. Means here students, we are studying about their disabilities. Understood? Walt Disney, an American entrepreneur and animator, voice actor, but he had learning disability. So here, he had learning disability. Okay. Next, who is there? Albert Einstein. That last lesson we have studied. Albert Einstein, number 5th. And that also great 20th century scientist and noted physicist and had learning disabilities. Learning disabilities. Number 5th, Albert Einstein. We will connect Albert Einstein here. Albert Einstein, that is a great 20th century scientist and noted physicist. Had noted means famous. Had learning disabilities. Then we have Thomas Edison. We know that Thomas Edison. Now here Thomas Edison, that is we will connect with great inventor. Who? Great inventor who has 1,000 patents learning disability and became deaf. Now see how many patents? 1,000 patents on his name. Thomas Edison. Okay, so we will connect Thomas Edison. See here, Thomas Edison. What we have seen that great inventor who has 1,000 patents. Who? Thomas Edison. Okay. Next, Helen Keller. Who is there? Helen Keller. That is the number 7. Was blind and deaf. Helen Keller was blind and deaf. Then number 8. Sudha Chandran. Who? Sudha Chandran. Dancer whose leg had to be amputated because of an accident. Who was she? Sudha Chandran. And then Tanay Gray Thompson. That we will connect with. See, he is a wheelchair racer. Who was he? Wheelchair racer. And last, Franklin Roosevelt had polio and was elected President of United States for 4 terms. So here we have completed first question, that is warming up. Last one, Franklin Roosevelt had polio and was elected President of the United States for 4 terms. Okay, now we will see next word building. What we will say? Word. Now we will see next activity, that is word building. Reduplication. Reduplication means what? The root or stem of a word is repeated exactly the same or with a slight change. This is called the reduplication. For example, tweet, tweet. Repetition of same word. Little bit changes we will see in that Peter, pattern. Little bit changes are there. Instead of I, what is there? A. So Peter, pattern. Then number 3, chit, chat. Instead of I, we have taken here A. Chit, chat. Then bang, bang. So here rip, rap. This is called that reduplication. Now next, this is the part of word building. Then next, blending. Blending means what? Parts of 2 or more words combined to form a new one. For example, breakfast plus lunch. This is called that brunch. Breakfast plus lunch. In breakfast, BR, and here in lunch UNCH. So this is called that blending of words. This is called brunch. Then smoke plus fog, new words invented, that is smoke. Next, motor plus hotel, motel. What's that? Motel. This is called that blending. Then number 3, clipping. That is very familiar with us. Mathematics, we write in maths. Reducing a word to one of its syllables or a part of it. Mathematics, that is maths. Advertisement, in short we say ad. Laboratory, we say lab. Then next, acronym. Acronym is what? Words from the first letter of each of the words. For example, see here, radar, scuba, UNICEF, NASA, BBC, CID, USA. It has something that what we can say abbreviation of each letter. For example, CID, Crime Investigation Department. Then KYC, know your customer. DOB, date of birth. Then what is the here VIP, very important person. Then USA, United States America. Good morning, good night, Prime Minister, thank you. British Broadcasting. So these are what that acronym. What we call them acronym. And some words I reserve for you. That is related to research. You have to find out. 4 are given for your exercise, that is radar, scuba, UNICEF and NASA. If you are not unable to find out, then I will tell you, but today you will find out that abbreviation of these words. This is called that acronym. What we call it? Acronym. Acronym means what? Words from the first letter. Words from the first letter of each of the words involved. This is called that acronym. So this is what that word building. In that word building we have seen reduplication, then blending. In rhymes, small children's rhymes we sing that reduplications. So here in songs also verse we will get that reduplication. Then we have seen that blending. Blending means parts of two or more words combine to form a new one. This is called the blending. Blending means mixture of the word. Then next, clipping. Clipping means reducing a word to one of its syllables or a part of it. Okay. Then acronym. Acronym means words formed from the first letter of each of the words involved. This is called that acronym. So students, today here we have completed warming up of Stephen Hawking. As we discussed, this is a short account of some incidents in the life of Stephen Hawking and known for the revolutionary concepts in theoretical physics and cosmology. It is the introduction of Stephen Hawking. Now tomorrow we will see lesson or incidents of Stephen Hawking. Okay.
Subscribe my YouTube channel for more creative ideas of teaching.